Do you want to see something cool? It's an engine. But not just any engine. This engine runs on petrol, amongst other things. Here it is, running on only petrol. And here it is, running on only compressed air. And here it is, switching from only running on petrol to only running on compressed air, without even having to stop. But this is just a video. How do we know if this is true? Well, here's the engine. I'm removing the air source. If it was running on compressed air, it would have stopped by now. Now when I turn it to running on compressed air, and then remove the compressed air source, the engine stops. So what are the advantages of this? Why would you bother? Well, it maintains all the efficiencies and energy densities of running on petrol, with the advantages of the following things. Can't hydraulic lock, can operate underwater, completely submerged, can operate in explosive environments, and is a self-purging system. That's all for now. More soon. Bye!